The MVI extension identifies a Motion Pixels video file containing video content encoded with the Motion Pixels codec. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play or convert these video files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful MVI troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. MVI files are video files encoded with the Motion Pixels video codec, a legacy compression format used in some multimedia applications and video capture devices. They store compressed video and audio data for playback on systems with the Motion Pixels codec installed. Motion Pixels MVI files use a proprietary container and codec combination storing compressed video frames with optional audio. The format was used primarily in the late 1990s and early 2000s for video capture and multimedia applications. The default recognized opener for MVI files is known to be VLC Media Player from Videoland project. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows supports video viewing, but custom export settings require proper editing software. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your MVI file and choose Open With. Test VLC Media Player first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in that list. If you cannot access the MVI file, no problem. Since the application couldn't handle the MVI file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, playing the file. Try opening MVI files in VLC Media Player, which includes support for many legacy video codecs. If VLC cannot decode the video, try MPC-HC with the LEV Filters codec pack installed. Some Canon camera MVI files are actually AVI format and can be renamed to AVI. Next, converting to MP4. Use FFmpeg to attempt conversion by running FFmpeg. I input MVI CV libs264 CAAS output MP4. If FFmpeg cannot identify the codec, try installing additional codec packs. For Canon MVI files, rename to AVI first, then convert using Handbrake or FFmpeg. Finally, identifying the source. MVI files may come from different sources, including Motion Pixels software and Canon cameras. Canon's MVI files are typically low-resolution AVI clips. Check the file header with a hex editor to identify the actual codec and container for proper playback configuration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.